This video is sponsored by Bitkey.
Alright, so I've spent some time using Bitkey, and here's my take on this product. I was thinking of an analogy. Do you remember 2010? Do you remember the excitement around the iPhone 4? It was a device anyone could pick up and use immediately. And this is something that excited people. People mentioned how intuitive the design was, how user-friendly iPhone 4 was. And when I began using Bitkey, I felt the same exact way using this hard wallet. It is a beautifully designed device, and also it offers an exceptional user experience. Both the physical wallet and the app are minimalist, clean, and intuitive. That's the most important part. It's intuitive. In fact, I would say it has some of the best UX I've ever seen, without exaggeration. Earlier I mentioned that Bitkey is ideal for beginners, but let me clarify who I think will benefit most from it. Here's an example. That's an actual example. A few days ago, a small business owner approached me for help. He had recently hired a software developer who only wanted to be paid in Bitcoin, but the owner had no idea how Bitcoin worked. That's how he called me. And after spending a few minutes on the phone, it was clear he wasn't familiar with crypto exchanges at all. He didn't know anything about cryptocurrencies. So instead of explaining everything in detail, I recommended he try Bitkey. You know, that situation made me realize that this device could be incredibly helpful for this kind of people, small business owners like this guy who are new to crypto. The Bitkey app guides users step by step through the purchasing process, making it more than just a wallet. So it's not just a wallet, it is an onboarding tool for crypto beginners. And the introduction may have been a bit long, but I wanted to set the stage. Now let's dive into the process of sending BTC from your Bitkey wallet to someone else's wallet. I often use BTC to pay freelancers, and right now I will show you the process of sending Bitcoin to one of my freelancers. Without further ado, let's get rolling. In my previous video, I showed you how to purchase cryptocurrency by using Bitkey wallet. And in this video, I will show you how easy it is to send cryptocurrency to whoever you need to send it to. In my specific case, I need to send $20 worth of BTC to one of my freelancers. I'm sharing my screen right now and you can see this screenshot. So this is the actual wallet. I'll show you how easy and how intuitive the entire process is. On the app, I'm going to click on send. So I'm clicking on send, and yeah, sure, I can copy and paste the Bitcoin address, but there is also this icon in the top right corner that I can use to simply scan the Bitcoin wallet. And that's exactly what I will be doing. Oh, I see the message. It says Bitkey approval required. And where is my wallet? Right here. I'm going to click on continue. I'll choose slow because this time around I don't want to pay too much in fees. I'm going to click on continue and send. Hold device here behind the phone. An unexpected error message says device locked. Unlock your device with an enrolled fingerprint and try again. All right, let's do it again. Connected, success. Initiating transfer, transfer sent. That's it. Was it easy? Was the entire process easy? Yes, it was. There are plenty of hardware wallets out there, but very few focus on ease of use. With Bitkey, you don't have to teach your non-crypto friend how to start buying and sending cryptocurrency. You can just purchase this crypto wallet and give it as a gift. You can just get them this device, and Block Inc., the company behind Bitkey, has designed a perfect app, perfect flow with easy to follow steps alongside a minimalist hardware wallet with a single button. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this device, feel free to leave your comments in the comment section. Let's talk more about Bitkey, but I'm done for now. That's all for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.